Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix YouTube playback error. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection by opening any other website to confirm it loads normally. If the internet is slow, restart your modem or router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Next, close the YouTube app or browser completely and open it again to refresh the session. If you are on a phone, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off to reset the network. If you are on a computer, disconnect from Wi-Fi and reconnect to the same network. Now, try switching to another network, such as mobile data or a different Wi-Fi, to see if the error is network-related. Clear the browser cache by going to Settings, Privacy, and choosing Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to include cached images and files. Then clear them and restart the browser. If you use the YouTube app, open App Settings and clear the app cache from storage options. If the problem continues in the app, clear app data. Knowing this may sign you out and reset preferences. Update your browser to the latest version from its official update menu. Update the YouTube app from the App Store or Google Play to avoid compatibility issues. Disable browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers and script blockers, and test YouTube after each change. If you use a VPN, turn it off because some servers can cause playback restrictions or errors. If you do not use a VPN, try a reputable VPN server briefly to bypass a temporary routing problem. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic to prevent certificate and streaming errors. Lower the video quality to 480p to test whether the issue is caused by bandwidth limits. Reload the video page and try playing a different video to confirm whether it is a single video issue. Sign out of your Google account and sign back in to refresh account tokens. On a computer, try incognito or private mode to test without cookies and extensions. On a phone, force stop the YouTube app and reopen it from a clean start. Restart your device completely to clear temporary memory glitches affecting playback. Check for system updates on your phone, tablet, or computer and install any available updates. Ensure you have enough free storage space because very low storage can break buffering and caching. Change your DNS to a public DNS like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS to improve resolution and routing. If you see a specific error code, search that exact code in YouTube help to match the official fix. Test YouTube on another device using the same network to identify whether the issue is device-specific. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app or reset the browser profile to remove corrupted settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.